All right, so here's my PX8, which is connected to the PIcoX8, which emulates a RAM disk and a modem. So here's a little demo of what we can do right now. So this is the standard startup mode screen from the PX8. Shows you what files are or commands are available. And as you can see, there's a lot of commands with a prefix. A is the RAM disk, and I can start arbitrary programs. Let's start the DAC-COM package, which is a communications package. And what you can see is it detected the internal modem. So this is the emulated modem on the Pico. This terminal program has some standard features like setting the baud rate and dialing. Let's set the baud rate to high, which is 19,200 bits per second, and then we can dial numbers. So let's first dial star as number, which connects us to the Pico configuration interface. So what we can do here, so here we are in a little command line which is running on the Pico and which we can use to configure various aspects of the emulation. Well, the help is a little pretentious at this point because not all of the commands are actually implemented, but let's look at the phone book, which is the phone book for the emulated modem. And as you can see, there's a number of numbers defined. To the left you see the number, and to the right you see the system that you can connect to. So, well, let's try a couple of those. So I'm going back to the terminal program, hang up, and let's dial 123, which is this 192.168 number that you can see at the top. That's local, but I think it doesn't work right now, so let's see what we get. Yeah, it's giving me busy is like the signal for connection could not be established. So let's try something else, like an invalid number that's not defined. All right, this is like the German tone for invalid number. And now let's try something that actually works. It's 124, which is the retrocampus.com BBS. All right, and now we are in a BBS system. This one is nice because it allows you to, well, it works with non-smart terminals. Most of the current BBS systems that you can find in the internet require an ANSI terminal, but this also works with dumb terminals, and the terminal emulation on the PX8 is basically a dumb terminal emulation. So it has a couple of features, so I'm not going to go through the BBS at this point. I'm just going to log out again, and this is all I have.